Hey, this is Sam here from recipethis.com, and we're getting ready for a game day in the Milner house. We've got jalapenos in the background to do some air fry jalapeno poppers, and of course some frozen wings to cook in the air fryer. What I want to do is show you 3 different types of wings in the air fryer. We've got barbecue, I've got southern fried, and I've got hot and spicy, which of course is the UK equivalent of hot wings, basically. Picked these up from Iceland, but you could get them from Costco. You could use some Tyson ones, whatever you fancy, because wings from frozen in the air fryer are absolutely delicious. So these are the 3 different types of frozen wings that we've got. So I'm going to start by showing you how to cook southern fried wings in the Ninja Foodie. Then I'm going to show you how to do barbecue in the Kasori, and then hot and spicy in my Philips air fryer. Just so that you can see, they all carry the same time and temp. They're really quick for cooking in the air fryer from frozen, and they're perfect for game day as well as just as a nice appetizer to have. Great for movie night, and Sophia absolutely loves them in the air fryer as well. And like I said, these are from Iceland, but any brand of chicken wings will do the trick. So let's get started, shall we? So one of the things I always get asked about is the Ninja Foodie as good as a normal air fryer? Well, I'm going to be showing you with some frozen chicken wings from Iceland to show you how the Ninja Foodie performs compared to a normal air fryer. Any frozen chicken wings can be cooked in the Ninja Foodie using the air fryer setting. You can also do homemade. So if you head over to recipethis.com and search for Ninja Wings, you can find our homemade ones there as well. This is just a quick example of how easy it is to cook frozen wings in the Ninja using the air fryer basket. So they're very fast cooking as well. So all you need to do, get a pair of scissors and get into your frozen wings. I love the ones from Iceland. And as the original blogger for showing you how to cook frozen wings in the air fryer, they were done with ones from Iceland. But Costco or wherever you live in the world, just grab yourself a pack of frozen wings and then you can cook them in your Ninja. So that's a full bag of them there. And these are, like I mentioned, southern fried ones, but you could use any. Hot wings are also delicious. And then once you've got them in, it's time to set time and temp. So you want to turn on your Ninja Foodie, and then you want to set the temperature to 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and then you want the cook time to 15 minutes. And then once you've done that, you can press start. And we've beeped. And wow, these are your chicken wings so far. And this is the point where you grab yourself your favourite tea towel. This is the one I love using. And then it's perfect for grabbing your basket with and giving it a good shake. And then what you want is you want the pieces of chicken to move around a bit. And then you can carry on cooking them for another 5 minutes. So then place the lid back down, and then you're looking for 5 minutes at the same temperature again, which is 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And then press that. And we've beeped. And wow, there you have it. That is chicken wings cooked in the Ninja Foodie from frozen. Remember, this is just so easy if you want a quick way to do frozen chicken wings. And of course you can do a bigger batch than this, and you can do batches of different flavours. Like over on recipethis.com, we've done them with barbecue, but hot wings are also nice, and they're just absolutely perfect and so crispy in the Ninja. So we've done the Ninja Foodie wings, as you've seen, and those were delicious southern fried ones. And now it's time for barbecue chicken wings in the Kasori air fryer. You could use scissors if you're feeling intelligent, or me, I always forget my scissors, so I can just get my fingers in and open up the bag like that. And then I recommend spreading them out. And then when they are cooked, if you're worried about the internal temperature of your chicken wings in your brand of air fryer, because some cook slower than others, then what I recommend you do is you do an internal temp on the thickest part of the biggest wing. And then I always find that you end up with some stuck together as well. So you have it, that's a really good sized portion of frozen wings. Wipe my hands just a moment. And then it's time to put them in. And as you can see, it's just one big single layer. You can double layer, but they end up stuck together quite a lot. So then, turn on your air fryer. And what I love about the Kasori is it automatically sets to 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, which is what we need. So I'm just going to press start. And we've beeped. So let's check on these wings, shall we? And wow, they're coming along brilliantly already. So let me show you them close up. Oh, and wow, don't they look fantastic? Then give them a good shake. And then as you can see, it's helped quickly turn them over. It stops them sticking to the bottom of the air fryer basket. And now they can go on for the last bit of cook time. So they've already done 15 minutes. We're just finishing them off now with another 5 minutes at the same temperature, which is 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit. And we've beeped. So let's check on these Kasori wings. Oh, wow. Don't they look fantastic? I just love Kasori wings in the air fryer. Show you how good they look. Look at those proper chicken wings. And of course you can do this with any type of frozen wings. And I'm now going to show you what they're like in the Philips air fryer. And this is interesting because Philips is my favourite brand of air fryer, but they are known to stick a little bit. Whereas this air fryer basket, as you can tell, you don't have that problem. So this is the hot and spicy wings that I'm going to be doing in my Philips XL air fryer. And I think the beauty to having multiple air fryers on game day is that I can do different portions of chicken wings in each air fryer. So it's like we've got the Kasori running in the background at the moment with a set, and then we've got the Philips coming out here to do a set, which is just brilliant. So these are the hot and spicy ones. You could sub these for any brand of hot wings. Just look at how good those look. They look brilliant. And you can turn over chicken wings in the air fryer with tongs, but I find that because of the way they stick together, that it's easier just to shake the air fryer basket, but it's totally optional. But I do recommend that when they've got a sauce on like this, that you just do a single layer in the air fryer, because otherwise they can become stuck together. So we've got some more there. There's quite a few big ones in this batch. And then one more small one, I'll sneak that in. Somewhere here. There we go. So I'm sticking there to a single layer so that some don't end up stuck together. You can see them all there. And then place the air fryer on. And you're looking for 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of 15 minutes. And we've beat. So let's check on these wings, shall we? What they like. Oh, wow. Now that is perfect. Frozen chicken wings in the air fryer. And who would be able to tell that they were cooked from frozen? They just look absolutely amazing. And you could do the same with drumsticks as well, or thighs, and then they're just absolutely delicious. They can be for game day, or they could just be for some party food at Christmas. They're just so lovely when cooked in the air fryer. So you've now got 3 different ways to do chicken wings in the air fryer, and it's now your turn to try it in your air fryer. And of course, don't forget to order our air fryer cookbook, because we feature air fried frozen chicken wings in it, among other air fried frozen food, and plenty of homemade food too. So you got a good mix and match of different food to cook in your air fryer. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.